Hello and welcome to ADTU Unplugged, a podcast series where conversations go beyond classrooms. I'm your host Neha, and in this episode, we are going to deep dive into a digital revolution that is School of Computing and an exciting upcoming frontier that is School of AI. And today we have our guest, Dr. Ganesh Pathak. Welcome, sir.
Hello.
So, Dr. Ganesh Pathak is the Dean at School of Computing, ADT University.
Yes.
And we would like to know that, sir, there are these two frontiers of the school, that is School of Computing and School of AI.
Yes.
So first, we would like to know more about how School of Computing works and how it is different from School of AI.
Yeah. Actually, the School of AI is already established with more focus on computer fundamentals like data structure, OOPS, object-oriented programming, operating system, system programming. So more focus on fundamentals. At the same time, we offer various specializations like AI and analytics, AI and edge computing, cyber security, cloud computing, big data and cloud computing, and CSE core. So, as a school of computing, as today's trend is, as everyone is aware about AI, but at the same time, all kind of the specialization we offer in School of Computing. As School of AI, that School of AI will be launched in next academic year, 26-27, where we offer two specialization, AI/ML and data science, but more focus on applied AI. Applied AI in three major verticals: healthcare, agriculture, and fintech.
Well, so that quite highlights the diverse fundamentals of School of Computing. We would more like to understand that what are the core strengths of School of Computing?
Yeah. Specifically, yes, first we focus more on fundamentals. This is the one thing, as I already mentioned, all core subjects, fundamental subject in the School of Computing. One more thing, we more focus on experiential learning. So in curriculum, every semester we have a PBL, project based learning, where we ask our student to identify real time problems, and generally we ask them to apply their fundamental knowledge for their PBL projects.
Well, that's a strong differentiator, I must say.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what about the practical learnings of the students that School of Computing generally offers?
Yeah. So, as typical every engineering course have a few labs, fundamental labs, as just now I mentioned about the data structure, object-oriented programming, database management system, computer network. So, every course we have a lab, and now you might be aware about National Education Policy, which emphasize more on experiential learning. So, in our curriculum also, we more focus on uh, practical assignments. At the same time, we encourage our student like industry projects, like industry internship, as we offer 1 month summer internship for our second year student. At the same time, we offer 6 month internship for final year student.
Well, it's so great to see, sir, that there is such a strong approach towards hands on and experiential learning, which brings down to the next question about the placements. As you have already mentioned, that you have internship embedded in the curriculum.
Yeah.
What about the placement scenarios that Computer School of Computing offers?
Yeah, rather MIT-ADT is known for excellent industry rapport with industry.
Right.
And because of this, now as I mentioned the project-based learning, we have onboarded around 250 industry mentors for our students. Generally, they guide us for their PBL project. At the same time, we conduct various value-added program to our student from second year to final year. In the third year, sixth semester, we conduct 3 weeks value-added program to our third year student, so that typically it will be useful for their placement.
Well, this I'm sure that the students are going to gain a lot of confidence for becoming career ready.
Yeah.
So, why don't you share that what is the vision behind the School of AI? We are much excited to know about this upcoming
Yeah,
frontier.
yeah. So now, as School of Computing is already established with various specialization, rather we have two specialization: AI analytics and AI edge computing. So today's world is a computing. Typically, we call pervasive computing or the ubiquitous computing, where we can integrate any kind of say device or technology. So now School of AI as School of AI is now multidisciplinary, where AI required for everywhere. Now we just discuss about healthcare, fintech, and say agriculture. But now, if you really want to develop our student, so develop student in deep AI. The reason is, now if you really want to think about agriculture, so smart farming is the one thing. Like for example, healthcare. So for School of AI, our first more unique thing is we focus more on experiential learning, where we introduce more credit for practicals. Like for example, for credit, we ask student or will encourage our student to choose project from second year onwards in particular domain like healthcare or fintech.
All right, so that's quite a forward looking vision of School of AI.
Yes.
So, what are the major specializations under School of AI?
School of AI specifically two specialization. One is AI/ML and another is the data science. The reason is of the two specialization, the already School of AI are more focus on AI. So I want to add one more thing. Now recently we sign MOE with few hospital like Apollo as well as Dinanath Hospital. Also for agriculture, we sign MOU with Baramati Krushi Vignan Kendra, so that the student will get opportunity to work on the real data sets, and I think they might be enjoy more. The reason is they will work on real time projects. So that is, I think, USP for School of Computing, School of AI.
Well, that's quite a focused way, the learning pathways for the students.
Yes.
So, you must have definitely set up AI labs for this. So, how these AI labs are going to help in the curriculum build up?
Okay. Really speaking, we have not established like AI lab, but yes, soon till month of July, we will establish our AI lab. But the AI lab is not only for School of AI. As MIT-ADT, we have a pre-incubation center, we have a incubation center, Atal incubation center. We have different 18 schools, and as just now, I think everyone is aware about AI is required for everyone. So that lab is not only for School of AI. Lab is useful like for faculty as well as student. And what we can say, like lab typically what normal lab, uh, AI lab is in a different, like we need to finalize hardware as well as software, because cloud based AI labs are also available. Infrastructure like high end machines like GPUs, computational power. So but yes, we will establish our AI lab till month of July.
That's a vision beyond, and this also shows that how well the curriculum is designed, providing the practical insights and the practical exposure to the students. Since we are talking about School of Computing and School of AI, what shall be that one distinct feature that sets apart School of Computing and School of AI?
Okay. So, School of AI is more focused on fundamental courses in CSE, though we have a various specializations. As I mentioned, like database management system, computer network, system programming, operating systems, OOPS, but here more focus on AI related courses like NLP, natural language processing, deep learning, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and related to core courses. Like suppose for example, if you in a healthcare domain, if you want to have a data set of like for example image data set, so we'll have a specialized lab where our student work on a healthcare domain. So one difference, as already I mentioned about, it's more focus on experiential learning, where we'll introduce all verticals from second year itself, where student will choose one major vertical, for example agriculture, and they will develop projects, mini projects from second year onwards. So they will have a deep knowledge in a specific domain using AI related courses.
Well, this distinction surely helps students understand where their best interest lies.
Yes.
So thank you so much, sir, for giving us the opportunity to understand the major difference between School of AI and School of Computing. And in this fast-moving, tech-driven world, it is important for the students to understand that what path they should choose and which specialization they should choose. So thank you very much, sir, for being with us here today. And I would like to share that the future today belongs to those who are equipped with the knowledge at the right time, at the right pace. So with this, we come to the end of ADTU Unplugged podcast series, and we shall meet you in the next episode with another exciting topic.